Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin, guys. XRP Ripple coin, what's going on? When XRP are going to hit a 2 USD dollar, a 3 USD dollar? A lot of people are waiting that when XRP are going to hit a 3 USD dollar. But guys, don't worry. Very soon, very soon, XRP are going to hit a 3 USD dollar, guys. Anyways guys, if you are new to my channel and or if you don't subscribe my channel, so please I request everybody right now click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. Now guys, the currently live and latest price of XRP in the market is 1.07 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of XRP in the market. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, last one day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is completely negative. I mean the price is completely decreased. But in the latest 60 minutes, the update is going good. So that's why I want to share this good news with all of you guys. Let me show you more update about XRP Ripple coin on a price chart. Just look here guys, the price chart is also going good in the market, but unfortunately now a very bad crash starts in the cryptocurrencies market. You can see here XRP price falls down, Cardano price also falls down. So now at this time a lot of highest cryptocurrencies price is going to decrease. But guys, you know what, it is a patience time, it is a waiting time for again pump of a XRP Ripple coin. And a lot of people are mad mystic, like they decide to sell that the price, they understand that now the completely falls off XRP starts, so they decide to sell. No guys, don't decide to sell, just hold for a long time. If you hold for a long time, so absolutely you get profit. But if you look like that, when you see a small fall, so you decide to sell, no, nothing you will get at the last, guys. Anyways guys, the highest price of XRP is 141 cent. Is the highest price in the last 30 days, and 34.34% positive changes occur in the XRP. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin.